JR sold this iconic silver F-150 Lariat that we turned to an Everest edition with a 6-inch BDS lift, 35s, you know your real deal's pup. We got 22s, fuel clash, gloss black and milled, looking amazing. The milling in this wheel works because of the iconic silver. If it was an all black Lariat Sport, would not work, but definitely this is like the new modern street rendition of the Rebel with no simulated bead lock and a gloss finish. And just take a look at the overall stance, 6-inch lifted. We got a great balance as far as our mile to wild scale, overall height. Money set up, y'all. Just wanted to show this one to you, a quick one today. But the iconic silver, looking mean, lifted up, Everest edition style. BDS, we trust in them. This one has 1.5 wides. We can roll with 13.5 wides on this setup as well. Whatever you prefer, we're here to make it the best setup for you. An Akins Ford F-150 to a great customer. Everest edition action, gotta love it.